70 sentences for everyday English you must know. Intro repeats this. Hello there. Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, you will learn 70 powerful sentences for everyday English conversation. These are real sentences that native speakers use every single day. They are short, simple, and very useful. So, relax, listen carefully, and get ready to speak naturally. Let's begin. B. Part 1. Daily Greetings and Introductions. Repeat after me. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? How have you been? How have you been? It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. Long time no see. Long time no see. How's your day so far? How's your day so far? I've been doing great, thanks. I've been doing great, thanks. What about you? What about you? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good afternoon. How's everything? Good afternoon. How's everything? Good evening. How was your day? Good evening. How was your day? C. Part 2. Daily Routines and Small Talk. Repeat after me. I just woke up. I just woke up. I'm making some coffee. I'm making some coffee. What's for breakfast today? What's for breakfast today? I need a few more minutes. I need a few more minutes. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Let's grab a coffee later. Let's grab a coffee later. I'll call you back in 5 minutes. I'll call you back in 5 minutes. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. I missed the bus again. I missed the bus again. It's such a beautiful morning. It's such a beautiful morning. D. Part 3. At Home and Family Life. Repeat after me. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. Can you help me for a second? Can you help me for a second? Dinner smells really good. Dinner smells really good. Please close the window. Please close the window. Don't forget to feed the cat. Don't forget to feed the cat. I'll wash the dishes later. I'll wash the dishes later. Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. I'm too tired to cook. I'm too tired to cook. I'll order something online. I'll order something online. E. Part 4. Work and Study. Repeat after me. I have a meeting at 9. I have a meeting at 9. I'll send you the report soon. I'll send you the report soon. Can you check your email? Can you check your email? Let's finish this project today. Let's finish this project today. I'm learning something new. I'm learning something new. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? I need a short break. I need a short break. Let's take 5 minutes. Let's take 5 minutes. I'll call you after lunch. I'll call you after lunch. F, Part 5, Shopping and Money. Repeat after me. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? That's too expensive. That's too expensive. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? I'll take this one, please. I'll take this one, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Keep the change. Keep the change. Is there a discount today? Is there a discount today? That's a great deal. That's a great deal. I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. G, Part 6, Outside, Travel, and Weather. Repeat after me. The weather is perfect today. The weather is perfect today. It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. I think it might rain. I think it might rain. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. I love sunny mornings. I love sunny mornings. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. The traffic is terrible. The traffic is terrible. How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. I love traveling to new places. I love traveling to new places. H, Part 8, Feelings and Emotions. Repeat after me. I'm really tired today. I'm really tired today. I feel great. I feel great. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Don't worry, it'll be fine. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I feel so relaxed right now. I feel so relaxed right now. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I, Part 9, Confidence and Motivation. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can do it. I can do it. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Step by step, I'm getting better. Step by step, I'm getting better. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. I'm learning something new every day. I'm learning something new every day. I never give up. I never give up. I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of my progress. I'm becoming more confident. I'm becoming more confident. I can speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently. Outro repeats this. You did it. You've learned 100 daily sentences, the kind that native speakers use every single day. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practice, confidence, and consistency. Repeat these sentences every day. Speak them aloud, and soon your English will sound natural and fluent. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't